Welcome back to the Max ERP Authority channel. I'm going to give you a video today on how to connect Excel to Max. All right, so starting out, just go ahead and open up Excel and create a blank workbook. And once you're in the workbook, click on the data menu item up here. You can see that you can get to many different data sources with Excel, but we're going to use SQL Server, pretty simple. Just click there, get data from database, go to SQL Server database, and then it asks you for your server name. Go ahead and put in your server name there. I'll type it in here. If you don't know what it is, you can ask your IT folks to get it for you. What it's going to be is it's going to be the name of your SQL Server instance. You can see up here, there's the computer name and who's logged in. And so then there's multiple databases here from my little local system. But anyways, if you don't know it and you do know how to use Management Studio, you can put in server name, add server name, and that will actually get you the name, and you can just grab that and bring it over here. Type it in there. If you know the database name, like I do, ExactMaxSam is the sample database name. So enter those two things and then click OK. If the credentials are set up and you already have access, then it's not going to ask you for credentials. But it might do that. If it does, you can use the one that you use for your report viewer, the username and password. You can use either SQL Server authentication or Windows authentication, which is your Windows username and password that you log into your system with. So that prompt will be there if you don't have access already. And then you just need to check a box there that says save the password when you do get that prompt, and then it'll persist for you. So these are all the views in the Max database, a bunch of them there. And then we get into the tables, has a slightly different icon. You can see here, there's the little table icon, the view icon right there. Just scroll down to a table that you want to load. I'm going to pick the part master. So just do a quick parts list. There's a preview right there. Click on load. And voila, it imported all the rows. So use the Max database reference that you have with the installed software. If you don't know where that is, it's in the doc folder underneath your ECI shared or exact shared folder on your Mac server. But that's it. Pretty simple to bring the tables into Max. You can then use the skills that you have in Excel to develop pivot tables and other kinds of filtering and reporting. So hopefully that helps you out.